Hi everyone, my name is Kenanga Alima Maulida. You can call me Kenanga or Alima. My study number 2110182200021. I'm from group 9. I will presentation PowerPoint group 9. The first vocabulary. 1. Sin. Sin. Sin is the ratio of the length of the triangle between of the opposite side to the hypotenuse of the triangle. For the example, sin is y per z. Next, 2 is the cosine. Cosine is the ratio of the side of the triangle at the angle to the hypotenuse. For the example, cosine is x per z. Next, tangen. Tangen is the side opposite the angle divided by the side opposite the angle. For the example, y per x. Next, opposite side, sisi yang berlawanan. The opposite side or part of something is the side of part that is furthest away. For the example, side BC is opposite angle A. Next, adjacent side, sisi yang berdekatan. Adjacent side is the non-hypotenuse side that is next to a given angle. For the example, side AC adjacent to angle E. Next, hypotenuse, sisi miring. Hypotenuse is the longest side of a right triangle, the side opposite the right angle. For the example, next, angle of elevation, sudut elevasi. Angle of elevation is the angular elevation of the sun in the sky, calculate from the horizontal. For the example, next, angle of depression, sudut depresi atau runduk. Angle of depression is the angle formed by the horizontal direction with the eye of the observers looking down. For the example, next, perpendicular. Perpendicular axis, sumbu tegak lurus. Perpendicular axis is theorem states that the moment of entry of the planar lamina about an axis to the plane of the lamina is equal to the sum of the moment of inertia of the lamina about two axes perpendicular to each other. For the example, and the last vocabulary is Pythagorean theorem or Theorema Pythagoras. For the Pythagorean theorem is the square of the hypotenuse side of a right triangle is equals to the sum of the square of the other two sides. For the example, next video. For acute angle E, sin E is 5 per root square 41 and cot E is 8 per 10. So, find the values of the other for trigonometric ratios. Solution, sin A equals to is O per H is 5 per root square 41 and cos E equals to is A per H equals to is A per root square 41. Cosec A equals to H per O. So root square 41 per 5. Next, second A is H per A equals to is root square 41 per a. We know cot E equals to is 8 per 10, so A per O we get A per O equals to 8 per 10 or 4 per 5. So 8 per 10 equals to A per 5. And next 4 per 5 equals to A per 5. So cross multiplying A times 5 equals to 4 times 5. So A times 5 equals to is 20. So A equals to 20 per 5. And A equals to 4. So A square plus B square is C square. 4 square plus 5 square equals to root square 41 square. So 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. 25, and root square is 40. So 16 plus 25 is 41 and 41 is 41. Chapter 4, example 13. A young tourist visiting Washington, D.C. is won awed by the size of the Washington Monument, which is 555 the height of feet tall. The tourist, who is 5 feet tall, is standing 50 yards from the monument. At what angle to the nearest degree is she elevating her head when she looks at the top of the monument? Solution: two aspects of this problem must be accounted for before we can accurately identify the right triangle. One is the obvious change of unit in the distance that the tourist is from the monument. She is standing 50 yards away, which is equals to is 150 feet. So the second aspect is more subtle since we are concerned with the angle of elevation of the hair head. We must consider the horizontal axis to begin at the height of her head. We can safely say that is 5 feet. Therefore, the vertical height as is 555 minus 5 equals to 550 feet. The monument is the side opposite the angle and the distance is the side adjacent to the angle. We can make use of the tangent ratio to solve the problem. So let x be the measure of the angle. We have tan x degree is 550 per 150 is 3.6667. So x equals to is 74.7 degrees. So to the nearest degrees is 75 degrees. Next, chapter 4, example 14. The diagonal of a rectangular is 8 in long and makes a 30 degrees with the longer side. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? Solution: we have a right triangle. Triangle BAD with hypotenuse BD. Sin the angle is 30 degrees. It is a 30 minus 60 minus 90 right triangle, and we know that AB to BD equals to 1 to root square 3 to 2. Sin BD equals to 8 inches. We have AB equals to is 4 inches and AB equals to 4 root square 3 inches. The perimeter of the rectangle is 4 plus 4 plus 4 root square 3 plus 4 root square 3 equals to 8 plus 8 root square 3. The last chapter for example 15. What is the effects area of a square whose diagonal is 8 inches? Solution: diagonal is 8 inches, hypotenuse ratio 1 per root square 2. If we let x be the side of the square, we have the proportion x per h equals to 1 per root square. Cross multiplying, x root square 2 equals to 8. X equals to h per root square 2. So, h per root square 2 square is 64 per 2. So, is 64 divided by 2 is 32 inches square. So the exact area of square whose diagonal is 32 inches square. Thank you for attention. Bye.